No, your name. I'm Mohammed Abubakar. I'm from Bagudo local government. I'm from Kebbi State, Bagudo local government. But what makes me annoyed with Nigeria government is this: we don't have good leaders. We just they talk like we Muslim, Hausa, we dey carry God for mind, but we know they use the God. What would they carry for our mind? If they call the God God, no be all of us they use am. Now Aboki spoil this country. Why? They say anywhere where you go, before you go see any other language they beg, you must see Aboki they beg in this country. Why it be so? Where we say we are now we get food, now we they invest food, now we they invest cow, now we they invest many things. But when now we they suffer past many people, why you used to be like that?
Okay, how do you feel now? Aboki don't dey for power for a very long time. Una don't rule this country well. You know, una know why you go tell me say una see the hungry.
Oga, I support Biafra so that me home and day in one place.
Talk am again.
I support Biafra 100 times.
How did you know about Biafra? Who told you about Biafra?
Oga, I was born 1981. I'm not a small pikin. I crossed 45 to 44 now. I'm not a small pikin. I don't suffer for this country. So what I see with my eye, you make me I dey cry. But I thank God, human being know they feed me. Now God they feed me. Anytime I wake, I will beg the God and I will feed. Till the day I will go back to him. But we have no leaders in this country.
So how come?
I support Biafra in 100 times. Let's make all man go so that we, the Hausa, will remain. But we see me all man, they assist in on people.
Okay, you are an Hausa man?
Yeah, confirm. I'm from Kebbi State, Bagudo local government.
So why this Fulani they disturb una where? Una just keep quiet.
Fulani they disturb now with Hausa then jump out. If the leaders of the state they no agree, Fulani will no entire state. Who bomb Fulani? Who give Fulani leg? If your leaders of your state, governor or anyone no have hands, they will not enter. You don't ever hear say them call Lagos Fulani can't do something. Whether them go east, whether them go south of east, you don't hear them. Now only Arewa. But part of the Arewa now some state, not the all state. Like my state, Kebbi State, we don't have that problem with Fulani. But like Kasuna, Zamfara, Sokoto, all those people, now then get that wahala. We don't have any wahala with anybody.
Why Nigeria be like this now? Where they complain saying?
Why Nigeria be like this? We say we don't have good leaders. Even the man is ruling now. Now Hausa the ruler. Now waiting them tell am to do.
Who be the person where they rule now?
Now Tinubu now, but now person they ahead of the Tinubu. That is the northern people.
If you name them, where they do spoil this country like this?
IBB, like them Buhari, forget the person they call God. God know in people. Forget if you are not belong to them, they no put you for that seat. If you know their society, you can't belong to that seat.
Okay, now you talk about this Biafra, that you believe of Biafra, that Biafra.
I believe in, I support you now 100 and 500.
Do you think what President Buhari, Tinubu is doing now by holding this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu after IBB don't confess, say there's nothing like a Igbo sponsor the coup? Do you think it's right to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu?
Me, what I think, Oga, and the IBB way in the talk, in now them follow spoil this country. Waiting them one talk now, and in no bad eye, but God still they show up upon the money way in the still they see waiting in the see. If that money go cure that in sickness, may cure that in sickness too.
But some people say IBB no just come confess say no people plan the coup or Abiola win the election. Say get busy as he don't they go close to his grave. Saying don't they see people where he kill during Biafra. Now then they torment and that's why he can't confess Nigeria. You believe him?
Oga, now God show him before him go die, may him confess in sin before him go to the creator. So whatever you best is what you plan now he go best. So now waiting in they see now the evacuation before him go may him confess.
Yoruba and Fulani or Hausa or not has been ruling this country. Igbo man never rule.
And then let's give them now. They are human being also. Let's give them, let them test. If they no one test, let's do the Biafra so that no woman just there on his own. What you get, you manage it. Now God they feed you man. If they know say they are right for what they are doing, the Northerners, if they know say they are right, let's leave the Biafra to do.
So you support Biafra to go
100 by 100.
Why? Why do you support Biafra?
Why I support is this. We, the Northerners, we are the ruler, we are still the suffering. We are the suffering. I don't know. Before you see any other language you must see outside the door. And if you say it's like enter the whole net 36 state, you must see. Now so why it used to be like that?
You like Igbo?
Oga, 100 by 100.
Are you sure you like Igbo?
Oga, me, I serve someone at Okwibe. I stay for East 2003 when on a Chairman market catch fire at the East.
You don't mean it.
Oga, they tell you say if there is the truth, say the one truth. Waiting at the talk, me I talk and made the whole world hear and if person wants whatever, you know if you
the whole world is hearing you.
I want make them hear and so that if you know be my God, you know if you kill me, I know if you kill you. But me I suppose to be for 100 by 100. Make them live home and make them on your own. If you believe you are God, serve who you believe so that you feed you. That is all I believe. But this Northerners made them rest, make another people test the seat.
Who be another people where they look, make the test the seat?
I support Inland Uzokami. I support her 100 by 100.
Nnamdi Kanu.
Yeah, 100 by 100. Make them give her in right. Because when they help una people, we our people, nobody feel. Even business, if you don't get what to do, nobody will assist you.
But for the sake of your people who go watching for this time, people feel say now una make this Tinubu become president because we over here, where we dey here, we voted for Peter Obi to change power to see, but in the north, una vote for Tinubu.
Okay, since I was born, I have never voted for anybody. I asked my parents, why una dey go vote? Una go carry una money, go line, suffer, do everything. Some beat una go come. And the person who una vote for no go do wetin una want for. Why will they vote for? What is the meaning of the election? That is why I'm not voting for since I was born till now. But I believe over the world we know. If I'm talking to you, I talk like may God judge woman. But me, I suppose Biafra 100 by 100. May God give una that power. Yes, if una dey una right, may God give una power.
As you dey now, if you see, if Biafra come today, you go like visit Biafra.
Oga, 100 by 100, I dey tell you, I'm a Muslim. Not that I dey tell you my mind. To my grave, to my 6 feet, I dey tell you my mind. So may woman dey. If dem do the Biafra, may woman dey on your own, more we see. So that then we see who get right, who dey wrong. I mean, make them do it like that if they know say they have the truth. The leaders where they lead now, make them give all my right. Forget religion issue now. Wetin dey spoil this country follow again. Make them give all my right, so that you just dey on your own. You beg your God. You hustle for what you need.
Okay, before the next election is coming in 2027, what advice do you have to give to your people? If you then still continue because of religion, this one is a Muslim, they must vote, because this one is Yoruba.
The foolishness is this. You know, say hungry there for this country. One man then just carry little change, them poor. You go see Aboki, you know they hear English. Why then they call us Aboki is this? Hausa man live north. Come here, you know they hear English. You can't see where they carry kaya. The one pass, you go say, hey, that la Aboki na help me. Now how Aboki take enter? Aboki no be Hausa man. It's not the Hausa man. Aboki just be like my friend. Sure you understand? Now how outside the country is how like my friend Aboki na. But based on, you know they hear English. You come now, they say kaya, you just come, you see me, and you know they hear Hausa. Na me, Aboki na that lad, na him make they hear them, they call Aboki. So that is why some know they hear English, so no go school. They no get any ways. Na that farm, then they do. So them can't see where free money they come for politicians. That is why then they use us we Northerners. Now what thing make them they use Northerners do that? Half of the people they are no well educated. So they on farm. Person just come from town, carry money, come saying you need so. he give una money, you una go die for your head. That is why you see and the people wey be say dem dey do that thing na the ones wey dem no go school, so dem suppose alight them so that make dem use their head more fight for our rights.
Do you people miss Jonathan now? Because when Jonathan was there, he did all his possible best to make una there. But
he's a Christian, but may God bless him for what he did for the country. I thank you.
Are you saying that the northern leaders are not doing okay?
They are not doing well.
But we are seeing Tinubu now. Tinubu is not doing well. Though you said that they are the one in charge.
Tinubu self is they are northern and the ruler. He no get option. Whatever they say is what he do.
Do you support that? Who among the Igbo leaders you know, apart from Nnamdi Kanu?
Apart from Nnamdi Kanu, see this man.
Peter Obi, all those ones.
Azikiwe, Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe. Okay, all those ones, you know them. But for you now, as Nigeria being now, hunger dey everywhere. Igbo man never rule this country. Still, who you think say na them get power for hustling for this country pass?
The most wise man in this country is Igbo man. It's Igbo Nigeria or Igbo na Igbo man. So then suppose give all man a right. Make all man just dey on your own oga. More would they see. If not true, they know say they are in right. Make them do that Biafra so that make all man just dey inside. More could they see how the
you will be Hausa man. How you can't take like Biafra like this?
Oga, we are suffering. So make them just work with them.
It is a Biafra go fit change. Make Africa better.
Why? It can be better because if they do like that, we the northerners we dey our own, the easterners dey their own. So what could they see? If you look your brother, may you look which car are you go take look at to assist him. Because now you can see Igbo man if he's doing his business like in Alaba International now. I'm doing kaya, but before I come dey stay for somebody with somebody. Before I can get problem, but now he can dey now. How someone go there inside this market now? Get sure. If you come now, he not to assist you, grow you, come put you for shop. Say make una big agreement. So how we learn yes, men say to you, he can't do you like that. You no go fit do all like that because if go fit say you go reach pass am. May he be saying na him na your name dem go dey call no business. Now wetin dey kill us be that. So me I support Biafra 100 by 100. Wallahi, oga. If I tell you lie, may God no give me without it.
So wetin you talk now? You agree with people wey talk say na Yoruba people and the Hausa people na dem spoil this country because Igbo people never rule.
Una dey right, oga. That one na real. Yeah.
Say no only here if they told this, say they fit tell your people to when you meet them say Igbo man no dey vex for anybody for this country. Now live and let live.
That many times, join me and oga if they right, I tell you, they wrong, I tell you. Oga na northerners na dey spoil this country. We are suffering. Before you go see any other language they beg, na Hausa you go see they beg. Majority. So make them people do and make them give all my right. What we see. Make them test them for some years so that them go see the difference.
Now, wetin you want tell government about Nnamdi Kanu? If they no gree release Nnamdi Kanu, you know say Donald Trump don dey there say make
they no release am na by them wetin dem want. They want problem now, na problem government. They want make people die. Abi make the masses die. Make them live and give her a right. Na only wetin dey be that. Why dem go hold am? If they know say they are right, make them give all my a right. So may God help us.
Now, after seeing the video, what should be the next thing that the Igbos should do that after seeing their own kings bowing down to the Fulani sultanate?
What I said it very clearly, and I will continue to say it. Conquest. Conquest is not necessarily when you use gun. And you see that you have taken over a particular territory. The Fulanis and the Hausas and the Arab world are shooting from different angles. And Nigerians are very docile. Some of them does not know what is coming to them. They don't know. All they want is to wake up in the morning and eat that breakfast or this and any other thing that is happening politically, economically, it doesn't concern them. But me, I am concerned because life has been taken away from my community and my state by unscrupulous elements. I am concerned. I need to know what's happening within my political environment. The international community, the Western world, and the world leaders, the United Nations, docile, pro-Islamic United Nations, they are pro-Islamic now. That's why you saw what is happening in Gaza and Israel. Because if we have a very active United Nations, that what happened in Gaza, Hamas, wouldn't have happened. The issue that has to do with COVID-19 wouldn't have happened. It's because they are pro-Islam. And anybody that does not to give them that way does not want the word God has established for humanity to come to pass. God has made man to have dominion. God has not made man to kill a fellow man. God made man so that you live to an extent and glorify and continue to live your life free, knowing fully where they are going to die at a very particular time. Then what is the need of not killing somebody deliberately or without any provocation? And you say you are a man, you are Fulani, you are Islam, is there? Okay, now rubbish. And let me tell you,
who is backing those people? Who do you think will be backing them up?
Yes, no, that's why they're laying their hand on the crude oil, because all the oil well and oil block in the Biafra land is owned by the Northerners. That is where they get their resources to be. I mean, it's so that by the end of the day, they will take over the entire Nigeria. Imagine a man from there saying that they have set up a committee to implement Sharia law in the Southwest. Well, they create. No, I'm sorry. You get what I'm saying? And nobody's talking.
Sharia law in Southwest.
No, nobody's saying anything. Nobody can stand up and challenge him. I look at it now. All of a sudden, the governor now sent thousands or hundreds of traditional rulers to come. You shot the video. This is the reason why they sidelined Nnamdi Kanu. This is the reason why they ganged up against these people, Simon Eba. This is the reason why they want to sell the entire Igbo race to Islamization and Fulanization in this country. But let me tell you, resistance will come by omission or by commission. That's what I know. It will come. How it will come, you will not know. At that time, they will tell you, I will tell you that there's always a red line to everything. The Igbos are not Islamic, either by omission or commission, or either by bad or by whatever. We are not connected to that at all. By virtue of our way of doing things, we don't have Islamic background. Our forefathers never tinkered at all, even before the white man came. Our own has always been Chi. Chi is our religion and our way of worship. That is what we do. It is a Christendom. And what is happening now, that is what is happening now, planting these people in different locations, the governors who are going to do their way, who are Fulanized already with their agenda, or who are promised that when you become a governor in that state, this is what we want you to do, this is what we implement at the end of the day. They will saw it. It is gradually, it is coming. Over time now, it become a normal thing. Notice happening because they say it's a free world. You know, it is a free world. Why didn't Donald Trump allow make man the marry man for London, for America, for US? If it is a free world, some things need to be checked, and we must check it.
Thank you so much for coming.